Ngaza kwethu Maswidi Mina Production, i-channel engenawo amanga, i-channel esebenza ngeqiniso nangobufakazi. I-channel yakakubikela ngaphambilini ukuthi khona i-J50 yayikade ikhishwele uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi ukuthi-ke ayovalelwa ey'tokisini, eyabuye yahoxiswa. Kodwa kwabuya-ke sekuthiwa cha, amampunge ayikho leyo J50. Yaphinda-ke namanje le channel iyakubikela ukuthi-ke i-IDAC okuyinhlangano eyasuggestwa iZondo Commission ngonyaka ka-2019 ukuthi eMzansi Afrika ake kube nenhlangano ekanje ezodila-ke ne-corruption ekakhulukazi-ke esiphoyiseni. Udaba ngalo-ke njengamanje luthi-ke le nhlangano namhlanje njengoba-ke kulesine lithambeme nje ilanga bekade-ke isibize uGeneral Khumalo ukuthi-ke akazilethe e-police station yase-Pretoria. Bethi-ke sekukhona i-warrant emlindele. Bathi-ke uma ngabe seze-police station akasale-ke esephatha-ke okumgodla onamathawula nento-ke zokugeza ngoba-ke kungenzeka i-weekend ayidlele ey'tokisini. Uthe uma ngabe kethola ucingo wabeke sefonela kuNhlanhla Mkhwanazi ethi-ke Mkhwanazi sekuvela-ke into ekanje ivela-ke kwi-IDAC. Nokuthe uMkhwanazi uma ngabe ethola ucingo wabeke segibela ebheke khona-ke ePitoli lapho khona-ke bathi-ke bayovalela khona uGeneral Khumalo. Nokuthe uma ngabe-ke uKhumalo sethi useyaphuma ubheke khona wabeke sethola olunye ucingo lokuthi cha, ayikho into enjaro, efonelwa-ke iyona i-IDAC imtshela ukuthi-ke akanayo noma-ke ayikho i-warrant ethi-ke yena uzoboshwa. Nokube indida kakhulu-ke uma ngabe uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi esefika ePitoli ethi-ke uzoyibonela mathupha esethola ukuthi hawu kanti uzeleke amahhala, ayikho into enjalo. Nakathi uma ngabe-ke se-check-a-ke efonini yakhe uKhumalo, be-check-a naye uKhumalo babona ukuthi cha ngempela naye nabo ubufakazi bokuthi-ke ufoneliwe uKhumalo ukuthi-ke akazilethe emaphoyiseni. Kule video ezodlala njengamanje ngifuna ukuthi umuze uMkhwanazi echazela yena ngowakhe umlomo ukuthi-ke kahle kahle busukhona umyalelo othi-ke azingapheli iy'nsuku ey'mbili yena benoKhumalo bengaboshiwe.
Well, we don't know. It's got a resemblance of some typical strategies that have been employed, but we're still going to dig deep in it.
My understanding is that not only has there been a warrant of arrest prepared for the crime intelligence boss, but for yourself as well. Are you aware of this?
No, well, what the intelligence we received yesterday was that they've given themselves 48 hours to make sure that myself and Khumalo are behind bars, because they believe that we have secured warrant of arrest for ADEC officials, which was, I did not believe that story, that there's something like that, because there's no warrant of arrest. And from where I am, there's not even an investigation that involves anyone from ADEC. So why would you come with warrant of arrest? And a person who makes up a story, I thought it's just a story that is flying. But when Khumalo told me today that he's received a phone call by IDEC that say he must present himself at the station, so I thought the 48 hours that we were warned about yesterday, it's real. That's why I came here, so that first I can confirm with Khumalo to see the phone numbers that called him. And also, if IDEC is here, I might as well say, here I am, if you need me as well. But to my surprise, then Khumalo gets another phone call that says that he doesn't have to present himself because of some executive decision.
In fact, that's also what we've been told. Have you gotten any clarity as to what exactly happened between the time Khumalo was told to present himself and the time at which he then was not going to be processed at this police station?
There are phone numbers that called him. The people that own those phone numbers, perhaps the one they must take the microphone and tell South Africa, why did they call them to come here? And why did they call them not to come here?